What's up, everyone? Today we're diving into something seriously cool: tactical pens and self-defense tools that don't just sit in your drawer collecting dust. These are legitimate everyday carry items that could save your life while looking completely normal in your pocket. From glass breakers to hidden multitools, we are counting down the top 10 tactical pens you can grab on Amazon right now. Let's get into it. Number 1. KEPEAK Military Tactical Pen. Starting off with a classic, the KEPEAK Military Tactical Pen. This is the one that converts skeptics into believers. Aerospace-grade aluminum body with a tungsten steel cap. Why does that matter? Because tungsten steel is one of the hardest materials you can carry legally. In an emergency, car accident, house fire, someone trapped, that cap becomes a glass breaker that could save lives. Here's what makes tactical pens brilliant. They're completely unassuming. Nobody looks twice at someone carrying a pen. But in a self-defense situation, you've got a force multiplier in your hand. The threaded handle design gives you excellent grip, and the weight distribution means your strikes have serious impact. Let's not forget the primary function. This is a comfortable writing instrument with a smooth, round nib. Comes with 6 ink refills, so you're set for a long time. You can use this daily at work, school, signing documents. It's a real pen first. You get the tactical pen, 6 stainless steel refills, and a gift box. Quality construction, practical design, and it won't break the bank. This is the Gateway Tactical Pen. If you're new to EDC self-defense tools, start here. Number 2. The most loaded 6-in-1 tactical pen. Number 2 takes everything up a notch. This isn't just a tactical pen, it's 6 tools in one compact package. Here's the problem with most tactical pens. They're too heavy for comfortable writing. This one solved it. When you detach the cap to write, it weighs half as much as traditional tactical pens. Genius design that makes it actually practical for daily use. Patented thread design at both the handle and thumb head. This isn't just aesthetic, it's about power transfer. When you need to use this defensively, that thumb grip ensures your full strength goes directly to the target. No slipping, no weak grip. Not just tungsten steel, tungsten carbide. This is the stuff they use for industrial cutting tools. It can break metal, ceramic, and glass. One strike, maximum effect. Self-defense tip: bright LED flashlight with high beam and strobe modes. Ballpoint pen with smear-proof ink that writes even when wet. Bottle opener, screwdriver, and hexagonal wrench. 6 tools, 1 sleek package. 5 ink refills, 6 batteries for the flashlight, and gift boxed. They thought of everything. If the KEPEAK is the gateway, this is the upgrade. More tools, better design, serious capability. Number 3. 12-in-1 tactical pen. 12 functions in one pen. Yes, 12. Let's break down this Swiss Army knife of tactical pens. Glass breaker, LED flashlight with strobe mode, ballpoint pen, stylus for your phone, bottle opener, compass, whistle, and a multi-tool head that handles nuts and bolts. Everything hidden in a streamlined pen body that clips easily to your pocket. CNC machined aluminum that's rugged yet lightweight. The key is the strength to weight ratio, maximum durability without the bulk that makes other tactical pens impractical. Here's something most tactical pens miss. This one comes with a pen cap over the glass breaker tip. Protects you, protects your clothes, prevents accidents. Simple but essential. Let's run the scenarios. Car underwater? Break the window. Lost in the woods? Use the compass and whistle. Need help signals? Strobe mode on the flashlight. Need to open a beer while camping? Multi-tool head. This pen prepares you for everything. Includes 4 ink refills, 2 batteries, and a full user guide. They don't assume you know how to use everything, they teach you. Outdoor enthusiasts, survivalists, or anyone who takes preparedness seriously. This is a legitimate survival tool disguised as a pen. Number 4. Atomic Bear MTP6 Tactical Pen. The Atomic Bear brand is known for quality tactical gear, and the MTP6 doesn't disappoint. This is professional-grade equipment. Multi-mode LED flashlight, premium tungsten carbide glass breaker, multi-tool with screwdriver, hex driver, and bottle opener. It's like having a mini toolbox in your pocket. 3 black ink refills, 4 sets of batteries, and here's the kicker: an online self-defense class. They're not just selling you a tool, they're teaching you how to use it effectively. Plus, limited lifetime warranty. Drop tested and water resistant. The body is beautifully machined from aircraft grade 6061 T6 aluminum. This isn't jewelry that breaks the first time you drop it. This is engineered to survive real-world abuse. The glass breaker isn't theoretical. Car submerged in water? Smash out. Baby or dog trapped in a hot car? One strike breaks the window. This feature alone justifies carrying this pen. Smooth, continuous ink flow. The refills are affordable and available in black or blue. 3 refills included, 1 installed, 2 spares. The Atomic Bear markets this as ready for action and discreet. That sums it up perfectly. Professional capability, everyday appearance. Number 5. RAK 2-Pack Multitool Pen. Value alert. This is a 2-pack of 11-in-1 multi-tool pens. Yes, you get 2 complete pens. LED light, stylus tip for touchscreens, metric and standard rulers, bubble level, bottle opener, and Phillips screwdriver. These are the tools you reach for constantly around the house or at work. This is marketed as the perfect gift for men, and they're not wrong. Dad, grandpa, husband, friend, handyman, anyone who appreciates practical gadgets. The 2-pack means you can keep one and gift one, or stash backups in multiple locations. Sturdy aluminum metal body comes with 2 ink refills per pen, 4 total. Reliable for home improvement, construction, electrical work, everyday tasks. This isn't disposable, it's built for years of use. Lightweight, portable, endlessly useful. At home, at work, in the car, this pen earns its place. The integrated stylus makes it perfect for anyone who works with tablets or smartphones regularly. 2 complete 11-in-1 pens at this price point? That's hard to beat. Great for gift giving or keeping backups. Number 6. 3-in-1 Telescoping Magnetic Pickup Tool Set. This one's different. It's focused on utility rather than self-defense, but it's incredibly clever. Telescoping magnetic pickup tool, bright LED flashlight, and multifunction pen screwdriver. Everything Dad needs for quick fixes around the house. The extendable pickup tool lifts up to 3 pounds of metal objects. Dropped a screw inside your car door? Down an air vent? Behind the washing machine? This extends from 5 to 24 inches and retrieves it. No more frustration, no more lost hardware. The LED flashlight provides bright, reliable light for dark corners, under the car, behind appliances, anywhere you need to see what you're doing. Looking for a Father's Day gift that will actually get used? This is it. DIY enthusiasts, handymen, or anyone who does their own repairs will appreciate this immediately. This isn't about emergency situations or self-defense. This is about solving annoying problems you face weekly. That makes it incredibly valuable. Number 7. OLIGHT Pen Mini 2-Bolt Action Pen. Now we're getting fancy. OLIGHT makes premium flashlights, and they brought that quality to this pen. This is a 2-in-1 ballpoint pen and pencil with a reverse S-shaped bolt action mechanism. Switch between pen and pencil with that satisfying mechanical action. It's functional and just plain fun to use. 0.7 mm O refill ensures smooth writing with no skipping or blotting. Consistent performance with a writing length of 2,000 feet. That's a lot of notes before you need a refill. Only 4.13 inches long. That's genuinely mini, fits in watch pockets, small organizers anywhere. The compact size makes it disappear in your pocket. Just clip it to your notebook, pocket, or backpack strap, and it's always ready. The skeletonized aluminum alloy barrel looks cool and reduces hand fatigue during extended writing. Users say this is a great EDC item that fits watch pockets perfectly, writes smoothly at any angle, and the pencil tip lasts a long time. The extra pencil tips included are a thoughtful touch. This is for people who appreciate quality writing instruments with EDC credentials. It's not about self-defense, it's about craftsmanship. Number 8. 12-in-1 Multitool Pen with Decompression Cap. Here's something unique, a tactical pen with a stress relief feature built in. 360-degree rotatable decompression cap, LED light, retractable ballpoint, box opener, bottle opener, hook remover, 8 mm hexagonal wrench, 2 measuring tape scales, cm and inch, flat and cross screwdrivers, plus a cell phone holder. That's genuinely 12 distinct functions. The rotating decompression cap is brilliant. Bored? Stressed? Anxious? Twist the cap. It provides that fidget spinner satisfaction while being completely professional looking. Use it in meetings, at your desk, anywhere. Super strong construction designed to last. The compact size and innovative design make it practical for everyday use while remaining portable. Comes in a personalized gift box, perfect for Father's Day, birthdays, anniversaries, Thanksgiving. The presentation matches the quality. 30-day money-back guarantee, 12-month product replacement warranty, and friendly customer service. They stand behind this product. The decompression cap sets this apart. It's the only tactical pen on this list that addresses mental stress alongside physical preparedness. Number 9. Huhoo 6-in-1 Multi-Tech Pen. This is the practical handyman's choice. Less about tactical, more about utility. Ruler, touchscreen stylus, spirit level, and both flathead and Phillips screwdrivers. These are the tools you need constantly for DIY projects and home maintenance. Premium quality aluminum, not cheap plastic like some competitors. Lightweight to carry, but durable enough for real work. Equipped with both screwdriver types, you'll always have a versatile tool at hand. Comes with 4 extra ink refills, ensuring long-lasting use. The compact design with clip makes it easy to carry anywhere. Engineers, DIY enthusiasts, anyone who does hands-on work. The spirit level is particularly useful. How often do you need to check if something's level and don't have the right tool? They offer practical after-sales service for both men and women. If you have issues, they're responsive and helpful. This is for people who need real tools more than self-defense capabilities. Honest utility focus. Number 10. Caligal 2-Pack Multitool Pen. Wrapping up with another 2-pack value option. 9 functions, 2 pens, excellent for gifts or backups. Tablet/smartphone stylus, screwdriver, bubble level, universal inch/cm ruler, bright LED light, and Phillips screwdriver flathead bit. All the essentials for everyday tasks. Extra strong aluminum body with no moving parts that can break easily. That's important. Many multi-tools fail at the hinges or joints. Solid construction means longevity. Comes with 6 extra ink refills, 3 per pen, and 3 extra batteries. Black gift box makes it presentation ready. They've thought about long-term use. Users find it well-built, functional, and useful for day-to-day tasks. Particularly helpful for working with phones and iPads. However, some report the stylus portion can fall apart. Quality control varies. With a nice packaging and 2-pack format, this is positioned as gifts for men, boyfriends, husbands, dads. Valentine's Day, birthdays, Father's Day, it works for any occasion. Limited replacement warranty gives you peace of mind. They back their product. Great value for the 2-pack, but be aware some users have durability issues. It's a good budget option with that caveat. And there you have it, 10 tactical pens and self-defense tools that prove you can be prepared without looking like you're prepping for the apocalypse. Which one are you adding to your EDC? Drop a comment and let me know. And if you already carry one of these, share your experience. Has it come in handy? Don't forget to smash that like button if you found this helpful, subscribe for more men's gear reviews, and hit the notification bell so you catch my next video. All product links are in the description below with current pricing. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and carry smart.